Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Enzymes are the secret to life, and we can master their function in seconds. Let's break down this biology question to find the winner. First, remember that enzymes are biological catalysts. Their main job is to speed up chemical reactions within cells by lowering the energy barrier that usually prevents these reactions from starting. Next, look at how this affects the process. By decreasing the activation energy, enzymes allow reactions to occur much faster and more efficiently without changing the total amount of substrate. Finally, while the graph shows complex data about cancer cells, the question simply asks for the fundamental rule of how enzymes regulate these biological processes. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush on complex data and trust the given fundamental rules.